What's up, guys and gals? This is Roy from Roy's Customs. I'm here today to show you how to replace your shifter stabilizer bushing. This is the factory one. It's made of rubber. It's pretty soft, and the center pin isn't very big. I have an energy suspension replacement, which denser. The center pin is much heavier. It's polyurethane. It's a little better material. Whoops. A little more resistant to chemicals and gas and oil and whatever else may end up leaking under your car over ages. So yeah, as you can see, the center pin is way bigger on the energy suspension than the factory OEM factory one. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to throw that in for you, and I'm going to show you how that goes in. I got this out, I had cut the ring off, and just so it'd make it easier to pull out, and being I wasn't going to reuse it, it wasn't a big deal. And actually, if you want a bit of an upgrade, you might as well go ahead and change yours out, because more than likely it's pretty old anyways. If your car is as old as mine, it's pretty old and beat up anyways. And obviously there's even some play in there that you can kind of tell there's a little bit of play. So this will make it solid again, and it should help with your stabilizing your shifting a lot better. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to do that real quick, and then I'll get back with you. So here's the end of the stabilizer bar, and what you do is you put, well, you don't throw it on the ground, that's what you don't do. You put one side in, get it all the way in, take the other side, put the other side in, and then you can put the center pin in. And voila. You may actually have to do that too, but then again you may not. So it might just slide in for you, but there you have it. So anyways, guys, that's pretty easy to do. Obviously, if you have a vehicle of some significant age, it wouldn't be a bad idea to go ahead and replace it. It's not difficult to do. It's very easy to do. With it being a two-piece design, you just kind of slide one side in, the other side in, and throw your pin in, and then you hook it back up. It's not a big deal, but it will help. It'll help stabilize that shifter a little bit better, and you know, it actually keeps the shifter lined up so that when you shift, it kind of goes in right. And as you've seen, there was a little bit of play in the factory one anyways, and you can tell it's not even like a solid design. It's really rigid and stuff, so it looks kind of like a gear. So obviously it wasn't super stable in the first place. But anyways, it's got the new one in. It should help it quite a bit, or at least a little bit. I still need to figure out what I'm going to do with the rest of my shifter linkage, because whenever I went to take the bolt out, I messed up the bolt. I chewed up the end of it. Now I can't get the nut back on it, so I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do there. I may end up drilling out the end of the one side and then use like a bigger bolt and maybe find some bushings to put in there, because the factory bushings are pretty much toast. Actually, one is gone. So my shifter was kind of floppy anyway, so I need to figure all that stuff out too, to help get it back, you know, to where it shifts properly at least, and where it's more stable and stuff. So anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Feel free to subscribe. If you want to, hit the notifications so that you know when I'm working more on my little ZX2 project, which I went ahead and I got the flywheel today. So I got the flywheel, and hopefully I'll be able to get the clutch real soon so that I can get it all put in here and get everything put back together, get my header back on, and get this thing all buttoned up and get my battery charged, because it went dead sitting out on the road with the flashers on for hours. So you know, I'll have some more of that coming up too. But anyways, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Peace out.